having a problem with a Dell 780 where it has started to show a yellow power button and blinks codes 1 and 2 on the front of the case when it turns on, or specifically when it is plugged in. These error codes are not documented in Dell's documentation. I believe that this is related to the Intel active management technology that is built into these computers. These are designed to be used in businesses and schools, and there's remote management capabilities that exist even when the machine isn't on, or you can remote manage it when you're in Windows, and you can do it outside of the operating system. So the computer needs to set up this active management technology before you do anything else with it. So here we are with a Dell 780 that works, and so I'm going to demonstrate this here. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so you see it briefly turned on and then it turned off. So I believe what's going on there is that is the active management technology starting up and running. It's now running. So even though the computer's off, this management system is now accessible on this computer. Now we have the computer that has a problem. Okay, so I shall once again repeat the process. And it turns on, and the fan goes high rev at the front. We have a yellow power button, and at the bottom it's blinking 1 and 2. Okay, so no information, not documented, don't know what's causing this. I've already tried reseating the memory. That has no effect on it. It's potentially a power supply failure, but it could also be a motherboard failure. But you know, I have nothing to go on here. I will probably try swapping in a power supply just to see what happens. Okay, I've now done some testing, and I've now figured out that actually it's a motherboard failure, not a power supply failure. This is a different Dell 780, which was blinking the amber power light, so power supply failure. At the time, I did not have a power supply for it. So after swapping parts around, the power supply from the one that was blinking 1, 2 with the yellow, that has fixed this computer. So it's not a power supply problem, it's a motherboard problem. And in this computer, the memory is from the previous computer, the power supply, and the hard drive, and it powers up properly. So it did that turn on and turn off. So now we push the power button to turn it on. And it looks like it's booting normally. Yep. Okay. So, motherboard failure if you got an amber light or yellow and blinking 1, 2.